Do you see the red thing, mate? British? Yeah? Yes.
Your face is about to be red.
What is that? Oh, you want some? You want?
You want some? Look, give it there. Your fans are shit.
Your fans are even more shit. No receipt for you today, mate. You're fucking trying to lock me out.
From me, dog.
Alright, I'm gonna head out. Okay. What's going? First POV drop.
British?
I can't say that, right?
British.
British? Yo, I gotta tell you guys, it ain't easy.
Being cheesy?
I was gonna say something. Yo, we gotta put wash fluid in this thing. I'm telling you, Mike. Gotta do some maintenance work on this screen. It's gonna fuck me.
Because it's thirsty like your ex.
Oh! You put the African guys dancing. Yo. Dead. Never turned on again, eh? Oh, it's gonna reset now. That's gonna be hilarious. Oh, another light, bro. Yo, does it drive?
No. Shitbugs do what shitbugs do.
Shitbugs do what shitbugs. I wonder how loud it's gonna be with the windows down. You think it'll pick it up or no? Oh yeah. It's probably gonna hear like wind.
Yeah.
But at least it's recording right now. Like if I sit like this. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, yo. POV videos. You cold, bro?
Don't look at me.
I'm shy.
I don't get paid enough to be in your video.
But yo, come on, man. You're the cinematographer, yeah.
I don't get paid enough to be in the video. I didn't say anything about making the video.
Who the fuck's paying? I'm not paying you.
Exactly.
Yo, what do you mean, bro? This is volunteer service. Here, bro. You say, got Nissan Murano, yo, CRV. I thought that said Bubba for a second. Bubba 430, yeah.
Bubba.
Bubba 430.
Come on, Bubba. Oh. Dead.
Yo, the CC fucking TV, it's gone, yo. I gotta get a new one.
You just gotta go over a really huge bump.
Hit the bump, your TV's gonna turn back on. Yeah.
You could just throw that bitch off the bridge ahead.
That's jokes. It's like, boy! Holy shit. Yeah, I should do like a POV with Herbert, yeah. Sky guy, boys. Yo, for a GoPro, I thought it was gonna be like bad, but this is like, now it's not recording, is it?
It's recording.
It's recording, so why'd it go black?
Just the screen doesn't show up. Like the front screen. So it doesn't have glare, but like
yo, the front screen don't turn on, the front screen don't turn off.
But like you see, it's still flashing red. Right?
Yeah.
That means it's recording.
Yo, see, Mike, without you, these videos cannot be made. Like, you're an integral part of the YouTube channel.
Do you see it says Life with Dan and Mike, or it says Life with Dan?
I don't see no into the channel. Like, this ain't no Formula 1 team, fam. Oh, they're put on behind that bus there.
Sponsorship deal?
I'm hoping for it, yo. Like, come on, yo. I'm looking for investments to the guys. I'm looking for investments to the channel. All donations are welcome. I'm gonna start on my fans or OnlyFans or whatever the fans it's called.
Whatever the fans. I'm gonna start at whatever.
The fans, yo.
Dead.
Is that a cop? Drive slow, yeah.
Fuck the police.
I can't say that on YouTube, yo. No, it's a BMW, yo. We're okay.
Go Carmen.
Oh, it's a Ferrari? It's a Ferrari, bro. Lamborghini, eh? Lamborghini Ferrari? I know it's a BMW. Oh, okay, fucking BMW, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do a Jamaican vlog, yeah. So what, yo, start off the video. Watagwan, boys.
And on that day, I will unsubscribe.
What do you mean? You're the only subscriber.
That's exactly. I hold a lot of leverage on your channel.
Yeah, that's not unreasonable right now. That's unreasonable, yeah.
Don't record my house, okay?